guys, and welcome back to my channel. You're seeing future me here. This is actually the last day of this week in my life video. I forgot to film an intro. How great of me to do. This week I'm incorporating Arbonne products into my daily life, and you also get to see a little bit of a week in my life. Actually, yeah, that's the title of this video. I do want to start vlogging more, so I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just get right into it. Hello guys, and happy Tuesday. I just got home from work, and I'm about to get ready to go to the gym. I go to the gym every Tuesday night. I go to a class called Strong by Zumba, and if you don't know what it is, you should totally look it up and you should totally try it because I'm actually getting certified in it, so that's going to be really exciting. So I'm going to start, the green from the trees is on my face. So after I am Zumba Strong certified, I am going to start posting workout videos and stuff, so that's going to be fun. But yeah, so before I go to the gym, I usually get dressed, and that's about it. I am going to try my first Arbonne product. I'm going to have an energy fizz stick, and this is supposed to give you a little bit more energy before you go to the gym. So let's try that. I have my beauty blender. Wow. Who am I? I have my blender bottle right here. Make sure it's really shut. And I put lots of ice in it because I like my drinks cold. And I also put the little, can't really see it, there it is, the spiral ball thing that comes with a blender bottle to mix up the powder and break it up. I don't know where to put you guys. Also, this lighting is terrible. I'm still in the midst of redoing my room. I know in a vlog a long time ago I was I'm redoing my room, but I am. It's just taking a long time, okay? It kind of tastes like emergency. It doesn't taste bad, but it's just it's different. I'm not used to fizzy drinks like that. Okay, so I'm dressed for the gym. Outfit of the day. Outfit of the next hour of my life. So I'm wearing just a white sand cloud tank top. I'm also an ambassador. Hey, hey. These I don't know what to call this color. No, not aqua. I don't know. What do you call this color? Comment down below. But these are from TJ Maxx, and then my shoes are Nike, but they're from Famous Footwear. And I'm gonna keep on drinking this. It's not bad, but I'm just used to drinking water and not used to drinking fizzy things. So it's just gonna have to be something I get used to. And then for after the gym, I have my gel eye masks that I'm gonna do. I also have dinner to eat after the gym, so that's good.
Now ready for burpees? Let's jump. Down, plank it back. Nice, come on. Rotation. Nice. Okay, now you have to engage your core. Your hips have to be down, yes. Change side. Good body alignment. Plank jacks. And back. Hey.
I'm back from the gym. There's no lighting. You can't see me. Literally dead. I changed my clothes and I'm warming up dinner. Not the healthiest dinner, but it's leftovers from the other day. I have half a burger and some sweet potato fries. Not the healthiest, but your girl's hungry, so, and I'm definitely gonna need that under eye mask tonight because this is all from working out. Okay, I'm gonna do the eye mask now. Let's see, it says I have to clean my face. Clean face, place under eye for 15 minutes. Alright, let's see how this is gonna work. I know you're off angle, but it's fine. Okay, so this is one of them. Oh no, one of them broke. How am I supposed to put it on? everything's fine. We're gonna put it on, it's gonna be fine. Okay. There's one. This one's all broken too. Oh no. Ha. 15 minutes. So last night I actually like fell asleep almost while I had my eye mask on, and that's not good. So I like, just didn't vlog the rest of that, but they don't look really as puffy. They still look a little puffy, but I'm sure if I use the mask like a few times, it like... I'm just so tired if you can't hear me. I'm gonna make a smoothie using the Arbonne chocolate protein shake mix. I'm gonna get my blender out. I put in a little bit of, this is soy milk actually, and it's vanilla. And I'm gonna put in the powder. It says you could put it like into water and then mix it, but I'm gonna put it like in my smoothie. And then I'm gonna put my banana on top. What's a mushy banana? Ew. And then I'm gonna just top it off with a little more milk because I feel like it's gonna need some liquid. Ooh, look at that. Now I'm gonna try it. That's so chocolatey. It's so good. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to drink it all right now. I'm probably gonna bring it to work and then like sip on it so I don't have to like eat breakfast or anything. And now I'm gonna make the rest of my lunch. Oh my god. I'm sorry if you could hear my air conditioner, but I'm not turning it off because it's god awful hot outside. I need a bit of a spa night tonight because I'm so tired from work. I didn't have any coffee today, and I don't know why, probably because I had the protein shake for breakfast, and usually I have like coffee with my breakfast, so I had no coffee. Okay, for my spa night tonight, I'm going to be using the Arbonne RE9 Advanced Aging Skincare line. This is a 9-step skincare routine from Arbonne. I'm not going to be using every single one tonight because there's like a lot of different products in here and I don't need to use all of them. But I am going to be using the facial cleanser, the toner, the intense renewal cream, the eye cream, and the night repair cream. I'm going to just start by washing my face with this cleanser. You see that? It's like a silver. My face definitely feels smoother. My face definitely feels smoother, and like the texture of the face wash was like, I don't know, kind of weird, but my face does feel smooth. All right, let's move on to the toner. And it says to apply this right after you wash your face. So I'm just gonna put it on like a little cotton pad. Oh, look how much dirt that got off. Ew. I think I'm gonna do the Intense Renewal Serum, and then I'll do the eye cream, and then I'll do the night cream. Okay, this one's like tinted. It's a serum. I'm just gonna put this all over my face because I don't really use serums. I'm gonna do the eye cream. I know I probably look really weird right now, but I was told this is the way you put on eye cream. Night cream. Night repair cream. Okay. Last one. I'm just gonna put this all over, I guess. Because I don't really know how my skin reacts to serums and everything, so we're just gonna have to find out. I think if this were to be like an every night thing, that's a lot of products to put on. I know that like your nighttime skin routine is supposed to be like longer than your morning skin time routine, but I don't know, I'm just like, I like a quick, easy, pain-free skin routine. That's just me. Right now, it just feels like super moisturized and smooth, but I also have like all kinds of redness all the time because that's just my life. I feel pretty relaxed now that I pampered my skin. So to finish up this week of testing Arbonne products, I'm going to do a quick little get ready with me. I'm going to run some errands and I just wanted to put on some light makeup. So I'm going to be using their foundation, their primer, all that good stuff. I'm going to moisturize first, and I'm going to use the RE9 Advanced Restorative Cream with SPF 20 sunscreen. I'm just going to use a little bit of that. I'm not going to do like a heavy duty like get ready with me because I'm only like going to Walmart. There's the cream. It's kind of like, it's really thick. I'm used to more like water-based creams. Like I use a water cream, and sometimes I use like just super light moisturizers. So I don't know, just heavier than normal, but I don't think it'll break me out too much. Let's go on with the primer. So this is the makeup primer. It comes in a little sample like this. I'm really just going to use like that much, as I only use primer like around my nose, like in my T-zone. And this primer feels like the Maybelline Baby Face. That's what it feels like. It feels very smoothing. Okay, and now I'm going to go into the foundation color Honey Beige. I might have to mix them. I might have to mix a few because I don't know if this is exactly my shade. I have another one that I can mix it with if need be, but we're going to use Honey Beige at the moment. I have my beauty blender. So I'm just going to go, and I have my mirror down here, so that's why I'm looking down. This might be too dark for me. I'm really not sure, but we're just gonna, I don't know, it's actually not that bad. I would say it's medium coverage. It's not sheer, but it's not full coverage. And it's also, I don't know, it's really not smoothing because I still see like my pores. Maybe it's the primer that's not smoothing out my pores, but for a lightweight foundation, it's really not bad. And like I said, it's not full coverage, so I'm not like super concerned about covering pimples and all that stuff. So I'm going to put on some eyeshadow now, and I'm going to use the color Amber. It's kind of like a bronzy color. Here, I'll show you. It's this one right here. It's kind of like a bronzy color, which is what I like to do in my eyes when I'm not really going full glam, because it just adds some definition to your eyelids. Next, I'm going to use the It's a Long Story mascara. I think that's like the cutest name for a mascara. It comes in this little tube, and I'm just going to put that on my upper lashes. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of lip gloss. I'm going to use Aster. This is the color. I should probably show you. This bit. Okay, that was short and sweet, but this is the look. Again, I like the foundation. My face feels pretty smooth because of the primer, but it didn't really cover any of my pores. I also have some zits up here, blemishes, you know. My face ain't perfect, ladies and gentlemen. But, I don't know. Overall, I think I would do this foundation for like a quick, like I just did now, like a quick get ready with me, just going out for a little bit. I don't really think I would use it for a long-lasting foundation. I also didn't have a lot of it to use, so I don't really know the full potential of the foundation. It was just a sample, but overall I think it looks pretty natural, and like I said in my first impressions video, it smells natural, and that's a really important factor for me, because I don't want all these fragrances on my face that might like break me out and all that stuff. But this stuff feels really natural. I really do. I love the eyeshadows. I'm really big on eyeshadows, and I really, really like the shades that come in the samples. And yeah, so this is the finished look. Pretty natural, pretty low-key. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week in my life vlog, incorporating Arbonne products into my life. I also want to thank Brittany again for sending over all these products and teaming up with me to do this little partnership. And I hope we can do more videos together in the future. And I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to Don't forget to like this video if you did enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And again, I'm going to have Arbonne's website linked down below and Brittany's contact information. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!